friends to the Do Less Be More channel. I'm Amy and this is 3 Minute Thursdays. If you're new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button. I release a new video every Thursday to help support you on your Do Less Be More journey. Today I want to discuss how self-compassion impacts productivity. Kristin Neff is the self-compassion guru, and she breaks down self-compassion into 3 components: self-kindness, mindfulness, and common humanity. And I want to dissect these 3 components so we can better understand how self-compassion impacts your productivity. So the first component is self-kindness. Physiologically, what happens when we practice self-kindness is we get a dump in our cortisol levels and a boost in oxytocin. So we feel happier, more optimistic, and resilient. I believe that we can better understand the impact of self-kindness when we take a look at its opposite, self-criticism. Self-criticism is a subconscious threat defense response activated by our reptilian brains. When our reptilian brain is engaged through self-criticism, we end up attacking ourselves. Now think about it. How productive can you be when you're beating yourself up? Self-kindness, on the other hand, activates our mammalian care system. So it's kind of like you're your own mama bear, wrapping yourself in a blanket of security and unconditional love. Kind of nice, yes? If you've ever managed a team, you know that kindness is a far better motivator than criticism is. Kindness produces results of higher impact and higher quality than criticism can, because kindness invokes feelings of trust, safety, connectedness, generosity, and calm. And these are the feelings that inspire us to be more productive. The second component of self-compassion is mindfulness. When we're mindful, we can separate ourselves from emotional reactivity and employ perspective analysis. So instead of losing ourselves to distress, we become aware of our own limited perspective, and we give ourselves the opportunity to see things from various perspectives, including that of our higher self. When you're practicing mindfulness, you're foregoing rumination and worry for more positive thought processes, such as focusing on the present moment, analyzing problems with a clear head, and acting in service of your higher self. Mindfulness creates space for problem solving, concentration, and intentional action, all 3 of which are crucial for productivity. The third component of self-compassion is remembering our common humanity. When we remember our humanness, we become aware of our missteps and take responsibility for our actions while remembering, and this is key here, so listen up, all of the things that are outside of our control that influence our actions. So this includes our subconscious programming, which accounts for 95% of our behavior in a given day, our genes, the environment we are in, other people's behaviors, thoughts, and feelings. So there is so much that we cannot control that actually influences our own actions. This I am human, just like everyone else acknowledgement opens our hearts to understanding, acceptance, and forgiveness. And this is what diffuses any feelings of stress, overwhelm, and anxiety that can hinder productivity. So now you know, if you want to be more productive, self-compassion is a solid place to start. If you've liked this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend or 2. And I will see you all right here next week on 3 Minute Thursdays.